Today I am going to be recreating one of Japan's most popular exclusive fast food item, the chicken teriyaki burger from McDonald's. This burger consists of a regular sesame seed bun, lettuce, some Japanese mayo, and some marinated chicken breasts that is then fried in potato starch. This type of chicken is known as tatsuta, as it uses potato starch instead of flour, which is very common within the UK and America. We begin by making our marinade. We cut a piece of fresh ginger and then peel it and also grate it. For an easy way to peel the ginger, just use the back of a spoon. We're then going to peel and mince 3 cloves of garlic before placing to the side. Then in a jug, we're going to combine some soy sauce, mirin and sake, and then adding our ginger and garlic. We're then going to place that to the side and in a separate jug make our teriyaki sauce. I am just following the recipe from Adam Liao of how he makes his teriyaki sauce. His video will be in the description below. However, this consists of combining around 80 grams of sugar, 200 ml of mirin, 200 ml of sake, and about 250 ml of soy sauce. We're then going to just heat this over a hob until the sugar has dissolved and leave to the side. We then begin to prep our chicken. Depending on the size that you want your burger to be, you can do this different ways. One way we used was cutting a chicken breast in half, making sure that both halves are even. Another method you could use would be getting a chicken breast and then pounding it flat to make sure it all is level. We're then going to take our remaining chicken breasts and cut them into large slices. As we decided we're going to make some chicken selects using this method of frying the chicken. We're then going to place all of the chicken into a mixing bowl before adding our mixture of soy sauce, mirin, sake, garlic and ginger. We're going to leave this to marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour. Next we're going to make our mayo. I was unable to buy Japanese mayo, so I found online that a replacement for this type of mayo is combining regular mayo with some rice vinegar. We're just going to mix this together and leave it to the side, ready to use. This will add a tangy flavour to the mayo, so feel free to just use regular mayo if you prefer. Next we're just going to prepare our lettuce just by shredding some and leaving in a bowl to the side. You could also add some pickled red onions to this as well as some tomatoes. Next we're going to add potato starch to a bowl, making sure we have everything ready to go when it's time to fry the chicken. This also includes slicing open our burger buns and toasting them in a bit of butter. While we're going to start frying our chicken, we're also going to reduce down our teriyaki sauce, as it will gain some stickiness through caramelizing the sugar, which will make it easier to glaze our chicken. Next we're just going to coat our chicken in the potato starch and place into preheated oil that is ready to fry. We are using a deep fryer, but you could also use a pot that is filled with oil. Our oil temperature was around 175 degrees Celsius and our chicken was done after about 6 minutes frying. As soon as the chicken is done, immediately coat it in the teriyaki sauce and place on a rack to the side. We're then going to build our burger by placing some of the mayo on the bottom bun, then our shredded lettuce, our fried chicken, optionally some extra teriyaki sauce, and some more mayo on the top bun, and it is ready to enjoy. This burger is probably one of the best things that we have made on this channel, and this method of frying chicken resulted in the crispiest chicken that I have ever eaten. I would highly recommend that you give this a go, as it is also a nice change from a regular fried chicken burger. The chicken strips that we also made was also delicious, and we used the extra teriyaki sauce as a dipping sauce for these. The next day, after they were in the fridge, they were also still crispy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check our social media handles in the description below.